it's appropriate since I'm the woman in this segment that I started out. Mammograms, something us ladies have on our calendar every year or every 2 years. It is something some of us don't look forward to, but we all know is so, so important. Early detection, of course, is key. We have our friend joining us to remind us how easy it really is.
Absolutely. From SilverSummit Healthplan, the Chief Medical Director. That's Dr. Jeff Murawsky joining us now. How are you, my friend?
I am great. Good morning.
Let's talk about this. Obviously, the mammograms are super important. When you catch things early, your prognosis is way better. Why is it so important to start scheduling mammograms now, though?
Well, we're coming out of the pandemic and people were afraid to kind of schedule their routine care, and totally understandable. So now we're getting back to normal. So this is a really good time to push. A lot of women need to catch up because they haven't had their mammogram in 2020 maybe, or they didn't schedule it yet for 2021. Breast cancer awareness is with us, so let's just get those scheduled. And I know there's some hesitation with COVID vaccines. People, are concerned about, well, if I get my COVID vaccine, can I get a mammogram? Yes, you can. You just need to tell the mammographer, the person that's doing it, that you had your shot. And if you have any concerns at all, you can just kind of put about a 4-week gap between your last vaccination and your mammogram.
Yeah, certainly. And in fact, doctor, I've been very cautious during the pandemic, but I had my mammogram during, right in the middle of it, actually. Felt very safe, just went in with 2 masks and everyone else was masked up too. So it's not too complicated. Dr. Jeff, right now I have 2 good friends undergoing breast cancer treatment and also my sister-in-law. So this is something that is right around me. And in fact, it's just good to understand how much breast cancer does affect women.
Yeah, it does. It affects both men and women. 98% of all breast cancers are in women. But interestingly and importantly, 1 in 8 women will get diagnosed with some form of breast cancer at some point. And 30% of all cancers in women are breast cancer. That's second only to skin cancer as the most prevalent. So as you mentioned, we all have friends and family that have been touched by this disease. And it is so important to get screened early because we totally change the prognosis. Early detection takes a disease to a almost 95% cure rate, even higher in some cases. Late detection is much lower.
Yeah, 1 in 8, though. I mean, that is a staggeringly high number.
Yep, it is. And there are risk factors. Being sedentary, obesity is a risk factor. There are clearly genetic risk factors. There's the BRCA1 genes that are seen in certain populations. We see higher rates of disease in socioeconomically disadvantaged populations, and that may be not because of who they are, but because of their access to care. So we really want to remind people to go out and get those mammograms. For sure, every year at 50. Between 40 and 50, it's every other year, or depending on your individual comfort level, you can talk to your doctor about going more frequently. That's totally reasonable. But it's important to go get that mammogram.
Yeah, no question about it. Let's talk about, speaking of access to care, SilverSummit Health.
Thanks. So SilverSummit Healthplan is an insurance plan that provides quality care to the people in Nevada in a Medicaid plan, marketplace, and through Medicare Advantage programs. We focus on quality, coordinated care for all of our members and really want to make sure everybody in the state is aware of the things that keep them healthy.
And enrollment for Medicaid is open, through the end of June, correct?
It is open through the end of June, so Medicaid people can make choices of which plan they want all the way through June 30th. And you can find out more information at www.silversummithealthplan.com.
Awesome. It's great having you, as always, Doctor. Some very important information there. We'll point people in the right direction. Great to talk to you.
Dr. Jeff, thank you.
Great to talk to you both. Thanks.
All right. You want to learn more about SilverSummit Healthplan? Very simple, you can go to, not as simple as me saying this, go to silversummithealthplan.com if you'd like to learn more. SilverSummit Healthplan, a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.